So how do we go about performing a lockout tagout? Essentially, start with hazard identification. We have to understand where the energy sources are and what could hurt us. From there, we utilize manuals and schematics to identify isolation points. Those isolation points will then be placed on our LOTO form. When we go out to the field, we're going to go ahead and shut down the equipment per the operating manual instructions. Next, you're going to do a live dead live verification, or sometimes known as a zero energy verification or a live dead live check. What this really is it's validating that the energy sources that were hazardous are now removed. So once we've isolated the equipment, we've hung our locks, now the first thing we're going to do for our live dead live checks is the live part. We're going to check our meter to make sure that it actually works on a live source of similar voltages. The next step is actually taking our meter into our work area where we've isolated, utilizing the proper PPE, and we're going to test the circuits around our work area and within the enclosures to ensure that we see zero voltage. What that tells us is we've removed the hazards from our work area and it's safe for us to go to work. Now, once we've done that dead check, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a live check once again. And what that's really doing is just validating that our meter did not fail during the test. So we're going to take that live dead live check, that hot cold hot test, or that zero energy verification, whatever your organization calls it. That's essentially our lifeline, our protection for technicians in the field to make sure that when you're in the enclosure, whether it's an inverter or combiner box, wind turbine switchgear, transformer, what that's really doing is saying, I can go to work safely and I don't have to worry about bumping my elbow or hitting something that could potentially be energized, receiving a shock, or creating an arc flash.